how to export MailChimp contacts. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export your MailChimp contacts. So let's get started. First of all, log into your MailChimp account, and here at the left side, you're going to click on audience, and once you click on audience, you're going to click on all contacts. And here, within this table, you'll be able to see all of your contacts, and here at the top of the table you'll be able to see export audience. So here it says you're about to export audience, so just click on confirm export. So just click on that, and it says that export started, and they'll send email on this email once it's completed. So you can head over to a new tab and open your Gmail account, because MailChimp will send you the file in your mail. So just click on that, and here you can see that I have received an email from MailChimp, and it says download list data. So I'm just going to click on it, and once I click on it, you'll be able to see that over here the download process has begun, and this is basically a zip file, so you'll have to export it. So head over to the download section of your computer, and here you'll be able to see that this is the file. So you can just right click on it and click on extract here. Now this is being extracted, so you can just double click on it, and you can see that all of the contacts I had on MailChimp have been exported. So that was how you can export your contacts from MailChimp. So if you found this very helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.